For this week's tutorial, we're going to be looking at making the Paper Mache Lamp DIY. So if you want to see how I create this week's tutorial, keep on watching. Before we start, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, that you hit that notification bell, and you give the video a thumbs up, and you can also leave a comment down in the description box. Now guys, this tutorial was actually created in 2021. I did lose a lot of the footage, so what you're seeing is just kind of like an explanation of some parts of it, but really what I wanted to show you was how you can take your old lampshade and turn it into something new. For the Paper Mache Lamp DIY, I wanted to show you, I just want to do a quick little show through. If you have a lampshade that you want to keep the actual shape, but the shade is destroyed, what you want to do is make sure you put your saran wrap all around it. If you wanted the first to view my videos, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload my post every Tuesday. Guys, once you've done that, you've set it, you've let it dry, you've created your paper mache vase. Now this was made in, I'll put up the date, 2021. So I have actually changed the way I wanted to do my paper mache lamp, but I wanted to show you if you want to create this. What you're going to do is you're going to take apart your lampshade so that it's down to the wire. Okay, and remember there is some shrinkage that's going to happen. Once it's down to the wire, you're going to put this over on top of the wire and you're going to fit it. Do not crack it. If you notice that it needs a little bit of room, remember you can actually spray it with water and you can just gently make it so that it fits, and then the wire piece is on, your paper mache is on your wire, and you can glue it, but most likely you can leave it actually the way it is, because I went and I created a lip around mine so it fits on top. Okay, so you can put a lip like this. Now if your lip breaks off, mine did partly, just re-lip it. Once you've put your metal piece, you've attached your metal piece to your paper mache, then just add some paper mache to hold over it and let it dry. And there you have your lamp, and I will show you what it looks like at nighttime. If you wanted to take me on any of your projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to take me on, and I also have a Facebook page where you're able to upload your different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description box. Now that you know how to make the paper mache lamp, you can check out this tutorial next on paper mache chandelier. If you like this week's tutorial, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.